Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you how to bind your phone number to JD shopping app for easy payment and shopping experience on JD Chinese shopping app. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 168, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account on your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using pinduoduo, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD app. Have you opened up your JD app? Next thing you want to do is to look for a particular supplier. And then let's say, for instance, I want to buy this particular jacket right here. So I will go ahead and then make sure I click on the jacket. And I'll go ahead and proceed with this one right here. Now we are here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Now here we have to make sure we add. So like for instance, I need this. Then I click on here to proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down right here and click on here to proceed. And this is going to pump up right here, asking us to bind our phone number for easy shopping experience in JD shopping app. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and locate your country from the options right here. So everything is arranged by alphabet. So my own is Nigerian. You have to locate your country code. So here we go. This is my country code right here. So I'll go ahead and select on that. Once you select your country code, next thing you want to do is go ahead and enter your mobile number right here. I'm going to go ahead now and enter my mobile number. After you enter your phone number, go ahead and click on here to get the verification code. So the code is here, 724923 724923. Then go ahead and click on submit. Now a phone number has been bound successfully. Then go ahead and click on here. Now you are done. So you can now go ahead and make payment for your order in JD shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.